Prime Minister Narendra Modi today morning reaching the Sadaiv Atal Sthal. This is the memorial of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the national capital Delhi, and the day marked as Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birthday, so tributes are pouring in. Prime Minister among many other dignitaries, as we can see there at the memorial there, and offering tributes. Let's just cut across to these visuals coming in from the Sadaiv Atal Sthal.
समाधि स्थल सदैव अटल पर पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की गई। भजन गायिका श्रुति और उनके सहयोगियों ने उनको भजनों के माध्यम से श्रद्धांजलि दी और अब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं जाकर संगीत साथी जो श्रुति के सहयोगी टीम के सदस्य हैं उनका हौसला बढ़ा रहे हैं। माननीय राष्ट्रपति अटल जी के परिवार के सदस्यों, उनकी दत्तक पुत्री नमिता और बाकी लोगों से बातचीत करते हुए अटल जी ने अपने नाम की तरह कई क्षेत्रों में अटल रेखाएं
Other visuals coming in from the Sadaiv Atal Sthal, we can see President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh there, all of them paying tributes. Live visuals coming in from the national capital where Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birth anniversary being observed today. Let's go across to Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, one of the first to have even put forth a statement on social media about remembering and about the contribution of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our former Prime Minister. But it is interesting to know how the biggest names of the government, of the party that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was from, deciding to ensure to have their presence today to mark his birth anniversary.
Well, this clearly shows, Pooja, how important Atal Bihari Vajpayee has been for the party and the respect that he still commands. That is why we are seeing Prime Minister himself coming and paying his tribute. Now, we will see how not just PM but also all the other leaders will also make sure that wherever they go, they talk about what Atal Bihari Vajpayee did, and they will also make sure that every benefit reaches the last person. That's what will start from today. Prashasan Gaon Ki Or is what this program is being called, which means every BJP leader will be told to make sure that all the benefits reach the people, reach those who need it the most. There will be a connect in the from what we are told. All the leaders will be told to make sure that people understand, the villagers understand that what all benefits they are supposed to get. All that will start from today, Pooja.
So apart from the floral tributes that these visuals are bringing to us, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also remembered via that tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, praised the former Prime Minister and that for devoting his life toward making India strong and developed. I quote here, his development initiatives positively impacted millions of Indians, unquote, is what Prime Minister Modi's statement said on social media site Twitter. I also add here, and I quote, remember Atalji on his Jayanti, we are inspired by his rich service to the nation, devoted his life toward making India strong and developed his development initiatives positively impacting. So these are the statements that have been coming in. As you can see on these visuals, Hardeep Singh Puri, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. The ceremony almost concluding. Aishwarya Paliwal bringing us up to speed with this. Aishwarya, this is of course an annual affair that all these top names from the government and from the Bharatiya Janata Party do pay their floral tributes every year on 25th December to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. But it is again, you're interestingly telling us that this signifies the fact that Atal Bihari Vajpayee is still very prominent with regard to a public discourse and of course the political discourse as well.
Well, definitely, Pooja, which is why we are seeing all the top guns of the Bharatiya Janata Party, all the top leaders coming and paying their tribute. If you remember the walk of Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the funeral, he had walked for several kilometers, and those were visuals which were telling what Atal Bihari Vajpayee meant for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Personally, that long walk, it was so hot on the day when the funeral of Atal Bihari Vajpayee took place, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi made sure that he walked And that kilometer-long walk was a telling sign of what Atal Bihari Vajpayee meant to Prime Minister personally and to the party at large. And from what I am gathering, today all the leaders will be told what they need to do. The idea is to make sure the benefits reach those who need it the most, and the benefit needs to reach the villagers across the country.
That's very interesting. So there are initiatives also to ensure that this day is marked not just for tributes but also for fresh initiatives. Prime Minister Modi there with paying the floral tributes at the Sadaiv Atal Sthal, and of course other dignitaries as well, including the President and the BJP President and other ministers of the government.